Welcome to Tailored for Taste. This episode is uniquely tailored for vegan viewers or for those who are simply desiring an occasional break from meat, fish, or poultry.
Many persons shy away from non-meat dishes because of the perception that vegan cuisine is not as tasty or as filling. But we're about to correct that misconception.
Today we have with us Kevoy Burton.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
And Rosie Murray.
Hello.
It's such a pleasure to have the both of you today.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure,
to be here.
Great
Because
food.
I'm hungry.
Proper troublemakers.
Because we're hungry.
Well, today is our vegan episode. Are both of you vegans?
I'm vegetarian.
Okay.
And he's skeptic.
Yeah.
I like meat. You know what I mean? I'm very skeptic about the
gosh.
vegetarian thing. But
Well, we're here
gonna
to
change it.
convince
I
you
believe
today.
in you guys. I believe in you guys.
We're here to convince you today because sometimes, we just want a little break and not have meat every day, every once in a while.
I've never
That's
heard
right.
of
Said no one ever.
Said no one. We're making a
Guys.
roasted pumpkin sweet corn casserole.
All
Is that
right.
Roasted
Pumpkin
pumpkin
sweet corn casserole.
Yes. Halima and I came up with that name while
So
in the...
hard for cook.
that. Just a second.
No,
Yeah.
it's easy. It's
Really?
easy. Watch them.
So you want me to cut this
So,
carrot?
just in squares. Leave on the
Alright.
skin. I'm going to leave on the
Leave
skin.
on the skin?
Yeah, leave on
I
the
thought
skin.
I was the only person that did that.
You can always take off the skin if you wish, but just for some added
Leave on the
texture,
skin.
let's leave
Oh yeah,
on the skin.
for pumpkin, no?
What I just
Right?
realized.
Yeah, me not peel pumpkin skin neither.
No, man.
Like,
Good
Yeah,
feel.
extra
Yeah.
roughage and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So far I've added my onions and I added some garlic.
So what are all of the ingredients that will make this up?
All right. So I have a pumpkin and the corn. I have some lentils here. I have some pumpkin seeds.
Lentils.
Yes.
Don't make it sound so.
Uptown.
Oh, wow.
Uptown.
Town.
You could switch it out.
Lentils.
Yes.
You could switch it
I
out if
remember
you
buy a
want.
pound of lentils and I'm
We
like,
could use something else. You know what I mean? You
You
didn't
can
have to
get,
use
oh
that.
God, you can get lentil down at town. I stay so. Well, you're not going to town. All right.
No, him don't go at all.
I just don't ask for
Take that.
lentils. I just don't
You don't
ask
ask for lentils.
No, I don't ask
You
for
could switch it out though. So
lentils is what? It's like beans, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
They're,
it's
they're,
a form. Yeah.
yeah, they're peas, right? But so let me tell you
judge
now.
me, I don't understand.
Let me tell you now, right, about these lentils, right? What I did was I soaked them, right? Because they're so small, you look at them, they're really, really small, right? And so they don't really take a lot of time because normally when you cook your peas, it's always best to soak them overnight. And it's the real reason that people tend to do that is A, it helps it to cook faster, and B, it helps to release the gases in there.
Right.
So that it doesn't make it gassy. People have a gas when they eat lentils,
Yeah.
but the real reason why you have the gas is because it has sugars in there. Our bodies don't have the enzymes necessary
break it down.
to break it down.
Right.
So that is what causes us to get gassy.
Yeah.
So when you soak
we
it,
never know
you
that.
pour off that water.
Exactly.
And that's why it always looks like frothy and foamy and stuff.
Perfect.
I'm just dash that in the pot, see you, you know.
No.
No.
Well, if you don't have a problem digesting it,
Yeah.
but some of us, can't manage it. Some people are worse than others.
So you're adding the lentils
See,
to the
Right. So what I
sauteed onion.
Right.
There's a lot of dishes to wash when you
I
finish.
just cooked it
Worst part.
just enough that it kind of softened the onions and the garlic, and then I'm just adding the rest of it.
Oh, the smell.
Yeah, it smells nice. It smells nice for you.
All
It
right.
smells nice for
I
you.
already mentioned something about coconut.
So what I want to do is throw some coconut oil. Let's throw them on the trays. Salt and black pepper. Get me some salt and black pepper.
Sure.
Let's throw these out here. In the meantime, I'm going to
that's
put some
Yes.
coconut milk in this pot.
Like smell coconut milk.
No, man.
Like smelling coconut.
And I'm going to
like
add
a
some
custard.
lemongrass to that.
Lemongrass.
Yeah.
It's
So
not
I'm
tea.
making like coconut milk infused
No, not
lemongrass.
tea.
No, we're not making tea, not right now.
It's the same principle. It's the same principle. What you're trying to do is that
Steep it.
you're breaking it up so that all of the essential oils and everything, all the flavor, everything just comes right out.
Ah.
So I'm gonna add some scallion to this pot here.
And that is the pot with the
The lentils,
Lentils.
and the
lentils
onion.
and
Yes.
the onion. Okay.
So this will take about 30 minutes to soften and stuff. But when it's almost finished, we're gonna just add the coconut milk to that and let it simmer for a while. By the time our corn is finished, we're gonna shred it off with a cob and throw it into this mixture as well.
Throw it down.
Yes. Right?
So you're gonna add the coconut with the
no, I'm gonna take it out.
Okay.
That's
Once,
what
as soon as it's finished breaking down, then
You're gonna remove
so
that.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
actually why I did
Oh,
it
so you
like
just want the
this.
essence from it.
Because I could have
Right.
easily poured
There we
it
go.
all in at the same
Okay,
time.
okay.
But because I don't want the leaves in there, that's why I did it separately, so I could
Okay.
easily pull them out. Because they're big enough and they're easy to just
Lovely.
pull out.
And you
Can
just
I
keep
tell you-
this on a
Smell it,
low
you
flame,
smell
right?
it?
Yeah,
Right,
smell
smell
it.
it?
Can I tell you, I've never thought of using lemongrass. I've never
Yes.
thought about using it in anything other than tea.
No, you can use it as a beverage, a drink.
Last
Add some
season-
sugar to that tea and some lime or some lemon. All right, so our lentils are cooked. Anybody wants to come over and taste?
Yeah, taste it.
I'm try a lentil. I'm try
Oh, you want to try it?
I'm try a lentil.
Because you don't sound like you know much
See.
about
I guess
lentils.
No, nothing about lentils.
I will try it, because been afraid.
All right, so I'm going to
All right.
pour the coconut
You
milk
want try? You want some?
into this.
Yeah, man, you go on. I know what that tastes like.
Now, if you notice before I poured in the coconut milk, like
just a
most of
regular
the
Taste like regular peas.
most
Ain't
of
that
the
tough?
water was cooked out, and then this is when I'm going to add my pepper.
Scotchy.
Yeah.
Pepper.
Yeah, it take time, take
No,
time.
man, why?
You
word
over
afraid
here
of
cry.
What's really, really wonderful about vegetarian dishes, though, they don't take very long.
No,
They don't.
no.
Watch your back, chef.
And that's one of the reasons that they're healthy, because they digest easily.
Oh.
Yeah, they're not too
Oh,
harsh on your
that's
body,
true.
you know.
That's true. That's true. I
So I'm
need
going to
that
just
part.
take up some of this pumpkin. You see, this is so fantastic because all of these things are locally grown, right? I mean, easy to find. So I'm going to just throw this into on top of my pumpkin now. Okay, so this is all assembled and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the oven to bake for about 15 minutes just to get some color on top. But because I knew you guys were going to come here hungry, I have a finished one ready.
What you say?
Lovely.
Magic.
Lovely.
We beg you to come here, you know, so we have to know we have to feed you quickly.
That is the truth.
Yeah, because we're hungry, you know.
Yes.
Conscience. A little
Save the
conscience.
hungry, you know. Save the hungry. You know, I'm not sure left-handed, so this kind of give me an advantage all the time.
We're thinking about you.
This other one, it has a similar taste to something that I like.
Have a vibe, man.
To have a vibe with it. I'm not sure what it is, but it tastes like something I really like.
How is it
And you
though?
don't miss the meat
You don't? Mission
because the
accomplished.
lentils
Well done, Terry.
has almost that sort of meaty
Yes.
texture.
You guys did well. You guys did well. This is really good. It's really balanced.
How the pepper?
And
I'm
it's-
afraid of pepper, you know.
No, well, I could take a little bit.
Yeah,
more
we could have
pepper.
taken more pepper. We could take some more pepper. But
Really?
Yeah. Sure.
All right. So here we go. Just watch Kevo, eh? Make sure I'm eating all them vegetables.
What's here?
Everything.
Forcing too much. It
No,
look
he
like he
has
might
to.
eating.
Because Rosie's doing well. It's important.
But
Rosie,
he,
you know,
the
what
fact that
we
he
do.
doesn't normally eat vegetarian and he's eating it and he hasn't stopped, let's just be quiet about it. Move along.
All right, so I am going to try my best to make sure that everybody enjoys their next vegan meal that I will be preparing.
Oh.
So we'll be right back after the break.
Coming up, Halim makes one of his vegan specialties.